Hello. Today I'm going to try a little experiment that I heard about. You can make a temporary camp stove with cardboard and paraffin wax. So I'm just inspired. Yesterday I went on a late winter, early spring hike, and I went with my son, my oldest son, and four other people, and it was a long hike, and I'm sore and tired, but I was just thinking about the upcoming hiking season, and this is something I wanted to try for a while, so I'm going to show you the results. What I did is I took my firebox, which is just an old Altoids can that I put holes in, and this is my firebox, and I'll just take some of the stuff out. It's where I make my char cloth. I don't know if you ever use char cloth for starting fires. It is very effective, and I recommend it. If you don't know how to use char cloth, look up a video on that, because it's really good. I keep a supply of that always, because sometimes you won't have a lighter to start your fire. So I have my Altoids can, and in the can I've made some strips of cardboard off the back of like a legal notepad, real thin strips, and I coiled it up, and then I melted some paraffin wax, and I poured it in there, and I think I did it right, but this is supposed to make it should light on fire and burn for quite a while, so that if you can't make a open fire, or your camp stove is ineffective, you could use this as a backup and keep it in your pack. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so I have my Altoids can, my firebox here, with coiled up cardboard and paraffin wax in there. And if I want to use this as a backup sort of emergency camp stove, I would ideally like to use my fire sparker to be able to light it. So I'm going to give that a try first, and hopefully that works. But if it doesn't, I have my lighter, and we'll see how it goes, and I'm going to time it, see how long it burns, and see how effective it is. I have some water that I'm going to try to boil. So I got my knife and my sparker here, and let's see. That does not appear to be effective. So I'll just go ahead and light it up with this. It wants to light. Kind of breezy out this morning. Okay. Kind of let this fire spread a little bit. All right, let's see how it does with the water. Set up my little There's 2 cups of water in there. And it's not a perfect setup because it's not all the way over the flame, but we'll see what it does. All right, so we've had a pretty steady flame for about 18 minutes now, and we didn't get a boil on the 2 cups. I'm sure if it was just 1 cup we would have. The reaction of the water is slowing down significantly. I had to move my plank a couple times because it was starting to catch on fire. But I think this will be really effective as a tinder. We could probably dry out some wet kindling if we had to with that length of flame. I think the water it's pretty hot. I mean, I think that'd still be effective for rehydrating food packs. All in all, I would say this is a project that's worth doing. I think I'm gonna remake this, reset, and keep it in my pack. All right.